In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily mute keyboard sound on any Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. If while typing at a Samsung Galaxy keyboard you hear that sound, then just watch this video to the very end and I'll show you how we can easily turn it off. Basically, guys, it is a really simple process. All we have to do is just head over to settings. To do that, swipe down on your home screen and then tap at that gear. On settings, scroll down to sounds and vibration. After that, tap at system sound here. That's where we can control volume level for all the system sounds by dragging that slider left or right. And also down below we can find this Samsung keyboard option, which allows us to completely turn off sound for Samsung keyboard. We can easily check that if we go back to our messages app. As you can see, now it is not playing any sound while typing. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.